Hello there, friends, foodies and culinary adventurers, to another mouth-watering episode of Quick Bites Podcast. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and today we are diving headfirst into the vibrant flavors of Hawaii, with a dish that's taken the world by storm. It's called poke. If you are new to poke, you're in for a treat. Originating from the Hawaiian Islands, poke is a delicious and customizable dish that features fresh, cubed seafood, typically raw fish, marinated in a flavorful blend of ingredients. It is an authentic taste of the tropics that has been captivating the taste buds of food lovers worldwide. But let's go to the heart of the matter. What makes poke so unique? It all starts with the main ingredient, the fish. Traditionally, hahi tuna is the star of the show. Still, poke has evolved to include various seafood options, such as salmon, octopus, and even tofu for our vegetarian friends. The key is freshness. The fresher, the better. The magic happens when these pristine fish pieces are cut into bite-sized cubes and then marinated in a savory mixture. Common ingredients in this marination include soy sauce, sesame oil, green onions, and a touch of sesame seeds. However, the beauty of poke lies in its flexibility. You can customize the marinade to suit your taste buds, adding a little kick with spicy mayo or perhaps a tropical twist with coconut milk. Now let's talk about the toppings. Poke bowls are like a canvas waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. Ingredients such as avocado, cucumbers, edamame, and seaweed salads are just a few options for adding texture and color. And remember the crunch factor. Toppings like crispy onions or macadamia nuts brings a delightful contrast to the dish. But there is also the best part. Poke is all about creativity and personalization. You can go classic with a Hawaiian-inspired bowl, or venture into fusion territory with ingredients like mango, jalapeno, or pickled ginger. These possibilities are endless, and it's all about making it your own. So whether you're enjoying a bowl of poke in the tropical paradise of Hawaii, or creating your own culinary masterpiece at home, you are sure to experience a burst of flavors and a compelling blend of textures that will transport you to a sun-soaked beach with every bite. Well, folks, that wraps up another episode of Quick Bites Podcast. I hope you're inspired to explore the poke world and create your mouth-watering bowl. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, life is too short for bland food. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue tantalizing your taste buds with culinary adventures. Until then, happy eating.